Welcome to XLTOOL, Excel to Tally software, the #1 worldwide trusted utility. Before getting started, must read help template, see all software videos, make enable Excel macros on, make enable Tally ODBC port 9005, watch different topics videos separately. Links are given in this video description. Also you can use our special functions by menu option, like map data, for copy data from your other file as per format, remove spaces, for remove unwanted characters from your data, amount format, for convert your data to amount format, date format, for convert your data to date format, minus format, for convert amount in negative format. Now open Tally application, select one company, select account period date, and open XLTOOL software. For import master payroll directly into Tally, select M-Paste sheet template, fill up the each payroll data in each row. Fill up the mandatory fields carefully. Fill up the data as specified format only. For easy data fill up you can use our special functions. After fill up the data, press F1 key to open menu option. Press start button. Press yes button. Now successfully data directly imported in Tally. Go to Tally and confirm the imported data. Process completed. Thank you.